Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is Will gonna show you how you can fix the problem where the ringer's sound volume gets really low on incoming calls. So in your iPhone, this trick will work for the iPhone 13, 14, 15 series and newer. So if you have a problem where the iPhone's ringtone gets really low and you can't hear it ringing, then just follow the steps. So first things first is you'll just need to go ahead and open the settings on your iPhone. And once you're already in, you want to scroll down a little bit until you can see the Face ID and passcode option. So you want to open that section, just enter your passcode. And once you're already in, you'll just have to go ahead and scroll down until you find the attention aware features. So if this option was enabled for you, then that is probably the cause to your problem. So you'll want to disable this or turn it off completely. And when you do turn this off, your iPhone's ringer volume will be normal again. And you'll be able to hear the ringtone when someone is calling you. So disable this attention aware feature so that it would be good. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to your next video.